Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin with essentials: an Apple ID signed in and a valid payment method. Open the Music app or Settings, tap Listen Now or Subscriptions to start. Choose individual, family, or student. Pick what fits your household and budget because family sharing affects who can access music. Once done, confirm your region and billing info. This prevents charges failing. Tap the free trial or subscribe button and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to proceed to the next steps. Now you'll select the plan and verify eligibility. If you choose family, enable family sharing in iCloud settings so up to 6 members can join. This links purchases and subscriptions. For student, follow on-screen verification steps, days or your institution email, because verification prevents future interruptions. Review add-ons like Apple One bundles or lossless audio. These change pricing. Make sure billing cycles and renewal dates are visible. Then finish by verifying the subscription is active. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions to see Apple Music listed. Open the Music app and sign in if needed. Your library and recommendations sync once enabled. If content doesn't appear, restart the app or device and confirm you're on the same Apple ID. If billing errors or access problems persist, sign out and back in, and if that fails, contact Apple support. This resolves most payment or region-related issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.